Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. Woo. And today, guys, we're here with Mr. Janko Pants them tier. Me hal me knock on the top on tier. Me no pop the top tier. Kalagata come to. You pussy wetter than a pad boat and a joke. You get it better like a joke and a bala, joke and a bala, joke. She said, joke and a begin bala. Lex! Yo, we got Najeeriii. We here with Najeeriii, Big Thief. Big up the G, I do it, my family, I do it. Big up myself, let's jump on the one and here with the G, I say, Big Thief, like.
I see. Hey, crazy. Big girl, like, bang. Big Thief, but we never shop. Leave first chops, then the food rise and it chop quick.
You hear that? Big thief, but we never shoplift. We're not upon the petty thief thing. We're not grab bag. We're not shoplift. That's a petty thief thing. You deserve your finger them broke up. If you got thief so you can benefit in a long run. You can just make one thief and just alright. You can tap thief. Yeah. Big up them thief there. No, yo, big up yo. I'm not big up no thief. Now big up the bum buckler thief when I go work, man. Now big up the thief, man. Yeah, now big up the thief. Big up that. Sorry.
Big Thief, but we never shop. Leave first chops, then the food rise and it chop quick. Cause it not stop bang, so me never stop cheap. Skull a call pang, that white and it a black sea. Get a fat on the black side, she friend a pop pill. Man a black on the stock side, me never stop flip. 17 mil sign, it pen a jacksy. And a 23-inch style in it a fat rims. Get a fat on the black side, she friend a pop pill. Man a black on the stock side, me never stop flip. 17 mil sign, it pen a jacksy.
17 mil, sign a pen at Jack sale. So 17 mil. I guess we're talking about US. 17 million US, cause 17 million Jamaica can't buy no house, not even a cherry garden right now. So 17 million US, sign the pen at Jack sale then. Him sign the contract, him sign the house, get the house at Jack sale. So he might put back him thief in money. It's need to do nothing so on can basically wanna do ya so wanna do the wrong. To get the right results. Make sense? Makes sense. Further around in the news. But,
Get a fat on the black side, she friend a pop pill. Man a black on the stock side, me never stop flipping. 17 mil sign, he pen a jacksy. And a 23-inch style in it a fat rims down. Big thief for me never broke shop. Big thief, them rich like a zell account and paper.
Yeah, man say, big thief, but we never broke shop. Big thief, but we never broke.
17 mil sign, he pen a jacksy. And a 23-inch style in it a fat rims down. Big thief for me never broke shop. Big thief, them rich like a zell account and paper cup. Crispies like you never count. Cashier plateau. 6 mil for my bread account. Dash that. Big thief, some
6 mil for the bread account dash.
Like you never count. Cashier plateau. 6 mil for my bread account. Dash that. Big thief, some prefer broke bank. I'm a pro, them a dial, some bread alone.
Big thief and then prefer broke bank. So I tell you, say, yo, the little shop thing, nah, broke no shop. Bank, me I go. When I said to you earlier, go for things where okay. Alright, if you know, say, yo, the risk is worth the reward. The risk have to worth the reward right now, you know. It's a risk me I take. If me go out there, go broke a bank and me get catch, me know say it's a big risk, that is a big time that me I get. But if me get where, me good. Me good to go and great for walk off. You see me? But if me go broke a shop and get catch, me I get my ass broke up, maybe kill. If we get where, nothing better, I have to connect shop next week. Not go and free shop them like that. Bank it there.
Big thief, someone prefer broke bank. I'm a pro, them a dial, someone prefer low. Got the host, them a smile, but she prefer soccer. She a pro on the bike, but she never look. Cash that. Big 𝐂𝐂𝐓 got skulls and the whips, they buy me them. Girl, I say me sweet like a ice cream. Send, say the got a 17, fine buy me then. Load up a PayPal, chai ski, sell. Got food after reach on the ID, sell. Never tell a lie, yo, why see them skull never make a stride like I need. Let that. I will make it and buy these Benz guys. Sunroof on a high speed exhaust. They run through, can't wipe, please step up.
Yeah, the master of the father rack instead of instead of the Bob what I'm saying, Bob rack.
Never make a
Bob walk.
like Chinese length that. I will make it and buy these Benz guys. Sunroof on a high speed exhaust. They run through, can't wipe, please step up. Chop European skull down a Denmark. Any lead to make it and buy these.
Big up the video personnel. Big up the editor them too. Me like that part here. Look on the part here and look what him say when we see that shot here. Watch
Benz guys, sunroof on a high speed exhaust. They run through, can't wipe, please step up. Chop European skull down a Denmark.
I chop European skull down a dead mark and I'm show you a boat full of white people. Jesus Christ, what a coincidence.
They run through, can't wipe, please step up. Chop European skull down a Denmark. Any leave some stocks in extra. They say me pussy like peas, funny nectar. We got the dirty 19 if you made twice. So me have to talking on G.
We have a dirty 19 if your meds work. So if a war you want, don't feel like so because we're there talk about money and chopping and your fees here can run up, you know. We have a protection, we protect with head.
Leave some stocks in extra. He say me pussy like peas, funny nectar. We got the dirty 19 if your meds work. So me have to talking on jeans on the bench start. Big teeth so me never broke shot. Big teeth them rich like a Zella count and paper cut. Crispies like you never count. Cashier plateau 6 mil for my brother crown. Dash that. Big teeth so my prefer broke bank. I'm a blow them a dial. So my brother love chat. Got the host them a smile but she prefer sucker. She a dope and he vibe so she never love cash.
Got the host them a smile but she prefer suck cock. I mean tell you she just bad. No matter how much money you throw upon her, she just want she just have the freak. She just want to get the guac 3000 IX. Wet dripping. Yeah.
Got the host them a smile but she prefer sucker. She a dope and he vibe so she never love cash. Big teeth but me never shoplift. Just chop steady food rise and it a choppy. Cause he not stop bang so me never stop chip. Skull a calpang got white and it a black suit. Girl a quad on the black side she friend a poppy. Man a black on the stocks like me never stop flip. 17 mil sign if in a jacksie. And a 23-inch style in it a fat rings that. Big teeth but we never broke shot. Big teeth them rich like a Zella count and paper cut. Bills like you never count. Cashier plateau 6 mil for my brother crown. Dash that. Big teeth, someone prefer broke bank. I'm a bro, them a dial, someone brother love chat. Got the host, them a smile, but she prefer sucker. She a pro on the vibe, but she never look. Dash that. Big teeth, but we never broke bank. Big teeth, them rich like a Zella count. Paper cut, crispies like you never count. Here plateau 6 mil for my brother crown. Dash that. Bro, them a dial, some up with a look. Got the host, them a smile, but she prefer sucker. She a pro on the vibes, but she never look. That's that.
Buckle clot. After that one at time, big up the media, big up the team behind that one. Big up Najeeriii as always. Yo, let me just say this. Cause I know I say it before, but I say it again. Big up every single young artist will kick in the door for themselves, forward in a game, and fuck up a place. Big up them G there. Big up the music. The music make enough youths can be able to feed them family and feed themselves and stay clean on the road and stay out of trouble too. So big up the G them. We are do it. Big up the young artists them. I represent the music. You see me? The music change a lot. And I'm okay with that. Me personally, I'm okay with that. You see me? Because we see them do it, and we can't expect them for they in the same category as the older artists in the 90s, dancehall and rare. No, the thing changed. You see me? And our young people are listening to music now. You see me? Yeah, young people listen to music now because them on the social media do them things. So big up the G them like Najeeriii and them man that we are do it, bro. You see me? Big up the young artists them when the boss yet forward on the game. Just work hard, bro. Believe in yourself and forward. You see me? Once you know forward and the people them accept you, just be grateful because enough man there when I get accepted same way. You see me? But Najeeriii, big thief and you never broke shop. Me like that. Big up the rubber them. Yeah. Yeah, man, him bad man. Najeeriii bad man. And if you really sit down and meds him lyrics, then what I must say? It all makes sense. You see me? So, big up Najeeriii. You see me? Big up the team behind the G. Big up the production team behind the one. Yeah, big up the young artists, like I said earlier on still. But this time I'm going to leave the one. If you enjoy the one I want to see more, leave a like on the video, subscribe around here if you're new. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.